please speak to me. Nothing.
Alright, we're here at Unified School and it is Tuesday, first week of school. Shown here with, let me call you the Laquia brothers. So tell us your names. Lakmatek. Laquia Emmanuel.
Gisu.
So, Laquia Emmanuel is winning Laquia Joshua in all the subjects. So I hope what? Beja.
No, Laquia is not winning in subject. Laquia doesn't win any subjects. Which one?
Science. Yeah, so competition is good here at Unified. People like it and it really motivates people, so that is good even. So hey everybody, this is a little weird. I haven't done this in a very long time actually. I haven't probably vlogged in over a week. I know you just saw more than a week. I know you just saw me post a vlog about me going to Kampala and kind of what happened before that with visiting Fumba Moses, which was really fun. I haven't put this thing up in a while, so over the next couple of days, I don't want to just talk your ear off right now in the same place. That would be boring. So over the next couple of days in a bunch of different locations, hopefully we'll update you on what's been going on here. One quick update from this spot is that Unified has no power. They haven't had it for over a week. It's been about 2 weeks now. A transformer blew up in town. The lightning storm struck it. So yeah, Unified has not had power, and so I do most of my work from home now. I'm still going to Unified to do the computer training, but that's it. So I don't expect it to be fixed anytime soon. I think last time it happened it took months. So we'll see. We'll keep you updated about that. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Okay, this is Omar coming from Unified School. Just here doing some work on the computer. So I'm offering computer training every day to the teachers. I create a whole schedule and everything, and they're signed up. Haven't had great attendance because of the cultural tendencies not to keep time and schedules, but we're working on it and we'll eventually get there. So, yep, beans are for lunch today, and yeah, it's really hot. All right, bye.
You see.
I don't want.
If I see it.
You tell me your name.
My name is Adolfo.
And this one. You don't have a name.
I have a name.
Lakmatek.
My name is Atimanga Nancy.
Ian. Ian.
My name is John Mary.
Huh?
John Mary.
Okay, so we're chilling here with our Unified friends, looking very smart in their uniforms. Don't make a crazy face like that. Okay, we're sitting here on the veranda in Mama's home. Yes, my hair is long. I'm growing it out, so you're going to have to get used to bad hair days on vlogs, so get used to it. That's how I roll now. I got a book here that I'm reading, which I really like. It's called, it's by the Dalai Lama. It's called The Leader's Way, in partnership with Lawrence van den Mosenberg. It's really good. It's about like being responsible and like incorporating Buddhist principles of impermanence and interdependence and all those things in leadership of organizations, but both for businesses and nonprofits. So it's a really good. Well, here's the tagline: the art of making the right decisions in our careers, our companies, and the world at large. Yeah, just keeping busy here. The mentors went for their secondary school visits, mentoring visits, on Friday. I didn't go with them, but they went to Gulu High, I believe, so that was really good. And everything else is okay here. Power's still out. It's going to be out for a while. Last night I went with Acholi Jacob, actually. I should have vlogged, but I didn't. But Acholi Jacob came over for dinner, so that was really nice. I think he actually said that he's going to the Congo soon. Jolie wants him to go to the Congo to see their programs over there and everything. So I think he's going to go for the next couple of days. I told him to take me with him, but he invited me, but he said he checked and there wasn't there wasn't room on the UN plane that they're taking. So maybe next time. But yeah, everything is good. So we'll keep updated. I might go to the Cambodian mission place today to check on prices for furniture for the business. So I'll let you know about that. All right, bye. What up, US and everyone else not in Uganda? So we're just chilling here. It is Sunday, and not doing so much. The power's still out. Really been strange. It's been out for 2 days now, so don't know what's going on. This water pot has a really funny smell. It smells like something died or something, so kind of thirsty. But yeah, I'm just studying Lua right now, so I thought I'd share with you guys about that. I don't know if this camera's so good about focusing like close on things, but we'll try here. I was learning these because this is a lot of like good with like distance and stuff. Yes, I don't know if you guys can see that, but like the ones I'm going to learn today is bor, which is long, and then kama bor, which is far, and then near is down here. It's kama chok, and then short is check. Those are the good ones to know. I think Luo's somehow easy. I will make this note that I've been learning about it is that because it's so ambiguous, it's so non-specific in the words that it uses, and it's not that of an extensive dictionary that's included with the language, it makes it somehow difficult and easy to learn at the same time because there's not so much to learn. But I guess to learn it well, it's difficult to learn because you can't be very specific with what you want to say. You gotta kind of, I don't know, add more words to describe better. I don't really know, but kind of like that. So it makes it difficult at times, but we're getting there. Well, today's just a lazy Sunday, so if there's anything else like interesting going on, I will vlog that. All right, see ya. So Unified today is having elections for head girl, a head boy, and there's like, and I've heard anywhere from 11 to 20 positions. I'm not really sure how many. But like they're trying to corral everybody. P3 through P7 is voting, and 2 of our students. Hello, how are you? Fine. 2 of our students are, I think more than 2, but a bunch of the kids in our program are running. Lamaka Senta is going for head girl. So. Primero? Primero? No. So I think Lamaka Senta is running for position, and some other people. So we'll see how the results come out. Bye. Okay. Hey, afoiba. So, we are walking home now. Bochero. We're walking home now. And I discovered something that I've never seen in Uganda. So, let me show it to you now. Yeah. Ininga? Huh? Aling. Ininga? Atim. Atim ninga? Okay. So, Atim Jacqueline has Tom's shoes on. Woo, very exciting. Wait, did you get those from town?
No, not in town.
From where?
From the market.
From the market? Ada?
Yes.
Okay, so she said she got them from the market, but I don't believe her. But that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool that there's Tom's shoes in Uganda, so that's pretty cool. Alright, talk to you later, bye. Hello, we are here at Unified School, and I have some visitors that I would like to share with you. So, you first tell us your name.
My name is
Ian.
My name is Stella.
Aloe Stella. And you?
My name is Abel Mercy.
¿Qué class?
I am in P2.
P2.
I am also in P2.
You're also in P2. Annie Laremi.
Only yes.
Okay. So, we're here at Unified School, and what is today? Today is Tuesday. So we're here Tuesday at Unified School. It's very hot today. Afoil ba?
Afoil.
When bye.
Bye.
Bye do. Atenyo. Alright, so here's Omada reporting from an Africa hot Uganda. Today is Thursday, and we're going to have the parents meeting today with all the primary students and their parents, so that should be a lot of fun. So we'll see how that goes in the meeting. We're going to be introducing the contracts that the students are going to have to sign which have academic requirements and even like behavioral expectations to stay in the program. So hopefully that goes over well. We're going to announce that correctly so they don't get too scared. But we want students who really are serious about education to be in our program. So we're going to start implementing that. They're going to have to sign them next term, but we're giving them a heads up today. That's going to happen today, and we're excited about that. Right now the dry season is coming. It might even be here, you know, it might be here a little early or something, but dry season's coming, and you know, the wet season was just hot. It wasn't unbearable, so it makes me think that we're gonna get to that unbearable stage pretty soon. Might have to break out the sunscreen. We'll concede defeat, but gotta stay healthy and cancer free. So hopefully that goes well. All right, talk to you soon. Bye. Alright, so we're here at UNIF at school, and it's Thursday. We're going to have a meeting here pretty soon, so there's very many people in the room here. So I'm with Felix, Lydia, Atenio, Ian, Bongamon, Stuart. Is it true? Aha. I know, Patience over there, all those people. So, and who is that one? Who is that one? Aha, is there. So we're getting ready. Okay, bye. Okay, we're at the meeting. It's about to start. It's a little awkward, so I'm not going to turn the camera on myself. The parents are there. Walter's organizing the meeting, and it should be a good one. Here's Mark also. Good turnout. Not bad. Hey, guess what? You can't see me because it's dark. And now finally the meeting is finished. It finished like an hour or so ago. I was in town charging my computer because I got to Skype with the Bidema tonight. But yeah, as you can see. Oh, and power's out. That's why it's extra dark. So talk to you soon when there's power. Bye. We're here at UNIFAT, and it is Friday afternoon, and I just met the actual person who won the election for head girl, and her name is Fatuma what? Huh? Abiero.
Abia, you look at the camera.
Huh? Abia Fatuma. Do you want to say anything? You don't want to say anything, but you're happy. Did you make a very good speech? Huh? Hey, I don't want to see your head, I want to see your face. But we're happy for you, and we're excited to see what you're going to do next year. Okay? Okay. Hello, Patience. I'm not going to video you. Zura, what position did you win for the election? What position did you win for the election?
They did not say.
Huh? They didn't tell you what you won?
Yeah.
What position did you contest for?
Compound prefect.
Compound prefect. So now you have to make sure the compound is very neat. Hmm? Okay, we're happy for you. Congratulations. So we're here at UNIFAT after school. Nobody showed up for computer lesson again, so now we're just wasting time. Okay. Indano meal. Aneno meal. Uchero, We're having fun. We're hiding. We're hiding. Yeah! That was fun. Okay, here's Bad Hair Omara coming to you live from Gulu, Uganda. And I want to wrap this vlog up really quick because it's actually raining. I don't know if you can hear the storm. Yeah, so that means the power is going to go out really soon, so I got to get this vlog done so I can get it up. I'm doing vlogs less frequently, as you can tell now, but I think they're still good, and I'm trying to bring up the quality a little bit. I know slacking and a little demotivated, but I watch some of my favorite vloggers on YouTube. One of my favorite vloggers you should watch if you want to check them out. They're so fun to watch, so entertaining. It's really strange how somebody can talk to the camera and it'll be so entertaining. But his name is Shay Carl, Shaycarl, no space. Just really fun family that he vlogs about, and he actually does it full time now on YouTube. So check it out. But thanks for watching this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. The elections were good. Yeah, the children have been good. Computer lessons have been a little rough, but N Power's still out. But we're working with it. So thanks for watching. All right, bye.